Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to subtract polynomials. So right here, we have our problem of 5x squared plus 2x plus 7 minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. And as you can see, both of these are in parentheses. And when we have a plus sign, we could just ignore these parentheses. But because we have a minus sign right here, we're going to have to use distribution because this is actually a minus 1, meaning that we have to distribute this minus 1 or negative 1 to all our terms in our parentheses. And in this case, we're going to distribute our negative 1 to all our terms in this parentheses. So if you guys didn't know how to distribute, it's where you have to multiply our outside term, which in this case is negative 1, to all our terms in our parentheses. So we're going to multiply negative 1 with 3x squared, 5x, and 2. So let me just write our first thing down here, our first terms in our parentheses. These don't change because we're not multiplying these with anything. So it's just 5x squared plus 2x plus 7. And now we're going to subtract these with, well, negative 1 times 3x squared, that's negative 3x squared. We already have our negative sign here, so this is 3x squared. Negative 1 times 5x, this is negative 5x. And negative 1 times 2, this is negative 2. So now that we have our expression here distributed, we could simply combine like terms and simplify this. So we could combine 5x squared and negative 3x squared because these two have the same degrees, so these two are like terms. 5x squared minus 3x squared, this is 2x squared. So these two are out. Now let's combine 2x with negative 5x. 2x minus 5x, this is negative 3x. And finally, let's combine 7 and negative 2. 7 minus 2, that's 9. That's positive 9, so this is plus 9. And this is our answer. All right, so now let's try to do this problem. We have 2x to the power of 3 plus 3x plus 9 minus negative 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. So let's first write this, our first expression here, like so. So let's first write our first expression here, 2x to the power of 3 plus 3x plus 9. Let's just write this down here because this doesn't change. This just stays the same because we're not distributing anything. So just 2x to the power of 3 plus 3x plus 9. And for this one, remember, we're going to distribute negative 1. So we're going to multiply negative 1 to all our terms in our parentheses. Negative 1 times negative 2x squared. Remember, a negative times a negative, that's a positive. So this is positive 2x squared. Negative 1 times negative 3x. Again, negative times negative, that's positive. So this is positive 3x. And negative 1 times 4, that's negative 4. So now that we have everything distributed, we could simply combine like terms and simplify this. Well, what's our most degree? What's our greatest degree? 2x to the power of 3. And if you look around, there's no other terms with a degree of 3. So this is just going to stay the same. We can't combine this with anything because there's no other like terms to 2x to the power of 3. And same goes with 2x squared. There's no other terms with a degree of 2. So we're just going to write this like is. And our next term, our next highest degree term is 1, right? Because 3x. So we're going to add these two. They're both the same degree, so they're both like terms. 3x plus 3x, that's 6x. And finally, we have 9 and negative 4. 9 minus 4, that's 5.